It's Kevin. So I said that we were going to start this channel off fairly slow, but I think this is pretty important for us to cover. Reranker-Guided Retrieval, or RGS, is probably coming to the AI landscape from everything that I've been reading, and it's going to affect the tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and so forth. And so when it does, it's probably going to change how these engines rank or cite in the top of the search. So if we can understand this now, we can get ahead of our competition before they know what's happening. So to kind of back up, here's how search has always worked. You type in a keyword phrase that you're looking for, and Google will grab the first 100 results, and then it sorts them based on the Boolean parameters. And then it comes out and displays the most relevant results to the search term, with the most relevant up number one, and then it sorts back down from there. But RSG is going to flip that process. So instead of waiting until after the retrieval, the re-ranker, like part of the model that normally just sorts results, actually guides which content gets retrieved. And what it does is it explores a graph of related topics and expands into nearby ideas that look promising before ranking anything. So let me give you a simple example. So imagine we're searching for a healthy peanut butter and banana sandwich recipe on Google. Traditionally, here's what happens. Google would go and find the pages that use the exact words healthy peanut butter banana sandwich recipe, and then it ranks them based on relevance, authority, backlinks, and engagement. So in other words, Google is matching the words to your web page. Now, here's what Reranker-Guided Retrieval does, or RGS. So RGS doesn't just stop at those exact words. It asks, what other content could make my answer even better? So before it ranks anything, it looks at related ideas like high-protein breakfasts, low-sugar snacks, other peanut butter options, pre-workout drinks or meals, or like low-carb bread. And so then it pulls that in from a broader context and then decides which sources answer it best, and they put that in the query. So where Google might only show pages based on literally like healthy peanut butter and banana sandwich recipes, RGS could consider a post called like the 5 peanut butter based energy snacks for boosting your busy morning, right? Because it's trying to understand that entire concept in that question. So traditional search finds matches, RGS finds meaning. These engines are trying to dig a little bit deeper to provide a better answer. And so that's why this is important for answer engine optimization, which is what we're doing on this channel. So it's really not just about showing up for one query anymore, it's showing up for part of the semantic web that AI explores while it builds those answers. It sounds confusing. When you put it down to what you need to do, it's really not that bad. So here's what you can do to start optimizing for RGS today. Number one, build topical clusters. So Google is looking for related pages under one theme. So basically do a pages on healthy snacks. Then we put a page about peanut butter. Then we put a page about bananas. Then we put a page about protein-based bread, etc. And we link them all together. We use contextual internal links. So when you're doing a link, give AI the meaning of that link. So rather than saying read more, say see our banana protein recipe, and it signals relationships between those topical pages. Add schema markup. FAQ schema is amazing. AIs already love FAQ schema. Article schema to tell AI pages a little bit more context on what you're doing. I can talk about schema in a later video. We can go on about schema forever, but I've got some great tips for that. And also write what's called bridge pages. So we're trying to bridge the understanding between two topics. For example, like why peanut butter and bananas work well together, like why they taste good together. So that would be like an example of a bridge page to bridge between a peanut butter and a banana, or a sandwich page and a peanut butter page. So yes, these RGS things are still being tested. I think it's going to roll out, but when and if it rolls out, we're going to be able to get ahead of the game. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to this channel and we'll tackle this together. Thank you.